So as you can see with me, we have the 10s, and this is the 64 gigabytes, and it's the rose gold. So it's actually for my friend, but she has given me the honors. That was really like this. So you have the regular manuals, and then you have the beautiful phone itself. Wow! This is so nice, and it's not that big. Oh, you know, you were scared that it was going to be that.
The phones are going to be white.
I don't think they are white too. I don't think any of them are white. It's so pretty. See? So then we have the, let me put this here, the charger, and then the AirPods. This stuff makes oh, it's even this. I thought it was AirPods. Okay. Oh no, that one is different. And that looks like AirPods. And this, but 10 has its inside number. And then the charger.
Like $500
Yeah, $500. It's like 53,000 now. So let me just show you what the manuals look like. We have the hello, the pin, the manual, a bunch of other stuff. And I think it comes with the sticker, Apple sticker. See? You can put this on your laptop. Oh, it's on already. See? It's so fine and light. You should feel it. Okay, let me help you set up. So you're gonna choose. The battery is low. English. Oh, see. I was already scared for you. Set up manually. You know you can move all your stuff.
That's what I'm going to do actually.
No, you put it on top. Everything will just. Yeah. If you have iPhone or iPad running, are you using iOS 11? Have you updated since? We'll check. Or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set this up manually. So where's your old phone? Oh, we're calling it old.